Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Solana or Sol on Coinbase. Alright, so let's begin. Here I am signed into my Coinbase account. At the very top, you'll see a magnifying glass with the search bar, so we're going to click there. From here, we're going to type in Sol for Solana, and there it is at the very top. So we're just going to click there, and it'll bring us to the Solana page where you buy, sell, or transfer. In this case, we're going to be clicking on Buy and Sell. Right there, it will bring up another menu. Here, we're going to click on Buy. We're going to buy this crypto with cash, so click there. Here, we're going to tell it how much in US dollars I would like to buy. So let's just say I'm going to buy $1 worth of Solana. Under that, you'll see a section that says Pay With and a blank space. You can pay with a checking account, a debit card, PayPal, or even a wire transfer. Whatever your payment method is, it's going to be right there in that section, and that's how you're going to be paying for your Solana today. Once you're good with everything here, let's say I'm buying $1 worth, I'm going to click on Review Order. Here is a summary of your purchase. You can see I'm going to be buying $1 worth of Solana, and the price of it is going to be right there. It's going to be fluctuating as you're reviewing and buying it. You can see how much Solana you're going to be purchasing right there. Available for trade or transfer is going to be instant. At the very bottom, you'll see the total. The amount for this is going to be $1, which includes a 50-cent fee. So in this case, I'm actually going to just be buying like 50 cents worth of Solana, even though I'm paying $1, because Coinbase is going to be taking a 50-cent fee. If you're good with everything here, at the very bottom, you click on Buy Now, and that is how you buy Solana on Coinbase. So that's basically how you can buy Solana or Sol on Coinbase. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.